Hello, today I'm going to show you what happens when you change values for summary tasks. First of all, be aware for the project summary task, for whole project, you cannot change anything. So those fields, duration, start, finish, cost, whatever, are not editable. And for this example, in this example, I am going to show you what happens when you change values in those summary tasks, like sub-summary task, not project summary task, but summary task. For this purpose, I created two tasks, task 1 and task 2. John and Mary are there, 4 days each task, simple schedule, very clear, and you see that summary task is calculated 8 days. Okay, great. What if I change these to, let's say, 4 days? You will see that then I will have this gray line in 4 days and the red line which indicates that I plan to finish the summary task in 4 days, even though the whole schedule is longer, which is obviously 8 days. If I put here, let's say 15 days, then I will not have red line, but I will have green line. It means you have much more time to finish than it was planned. But why should you do that? Let's say that I want this to be finished in 15 days. It must be finished in 15 days. First of all, let me undo this one, and you will see when you here put any value, okay, like for example 15 days, automatically when I hit enter, task is going to be in manually scheduled mode. If I turn it back to auto schedule mode, it will turn back to 8 days. So let me put 15 days and I will get what I wanted, but I will now give you a tip. Never ever, never ever touch summary task. If I am Microsoft, suppose that I'm in Microsoft shoes, I will disable those fields. Now, if I go here and go to Task tab and inspect, you will see that summary automatically calculate date based on links, constraints, and other factors. Information factors affecting the task start date, manually scheduled. But why should you do that? Let's say that John planned his task for 4 days, Mary 4 days, and you know that it will be great if they will be finished in the 8 days, but 15 days is maximum, which is maximum of your tolerance. So if it is finished on 26th of April, it is okay, but if it's not, it shouldn't be later than 5th of May. So this is the way, but the wrong one. But you still need your 5th of May as to be marked, to be shown as a final deadline. For that purpose, I will abandon this approach to put 15 days here and to have then to get 5th of May as a final deadline. I will go back, switch to auto schedule mode. I will double click on this task, sorry, not here, but here. I will double click. And what I'm going to do, I will go here and I will put deadline. And I will say, okay, 5th of May is deadline. So when now I can see this deadline, and if this task, let's say, will last 8 days, and these 8 days, you will see that I will have here information that this task passed deadline. So be aware of that. If you need to put some, let's say, deadline on whatever, put it in this way like deadline. Do not change those things, okay? Do not change, by those things, I mean, don't change values in your summary task. Never, ever, because you will get in trouble, especially if you have a large project, as you usually do. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. See you soon.